Today we are going to learn referencing, and for referencing we have a tab right here, and yeah, we are going to try a citation from here. The Citation and Bibliography tab here works for referencing. Now here let's put a citation with Add New Source. Let's select Journal Article. We have various options, and we're taking a journal article right here, and then provide article author name and other details like article title, journal name, year, and pages. Separate the names with a semicolon for each authors. Now we have here the first citation. Now let's try another. Let's make a Add New Source, and let's put another one with article in periodical maybe. Now for author's name, let's go with any. And title shall be Climate Change. And periodical title, let's go with Himalayan Climate Review. And year shall be June 21st, 2021. And page shall be 12 to 29. Here's the second citation. Some citations may be written in different way and could only appear in references. So, let's check how to enter sources and manage them. Click on Manage Sources and then click New. I have taken Report here and entered all details for the reference. Let's make another one with Article from Website. Let's go with Corporate Author for this. Enter all the details and click OK. Now let's take last reference as Document from Website. Enter all the details and don't forget the URL from where you obtained the document. We have these 5 references now. If you have already entered details in any Word file in computer before, they all sit over here and you can just copy them in current list. To enter new citation from already entered sources, just click on Insert Citation and click the desired reference. Now, the final step is to enter the list of references. For this, we click on Bibliography. There you will have option for bibliography, references, and works cited. Click on References and you have your references list in the Word file. You can choose the style of reference like APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Here, I will go with APA style. Tell me what the next video should be about in the comments section so that I can help you with Office-related problems in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.